Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas, but you can call me. I'm from Colombia. I'm an administrative assistant student and I work at a restaurant as a waiter and delivery driver. I'm a very busy person. My hobbies reading, learning new things, playing video games, and eating chocolate. I live in an apartment with a roommate. It is my favorite play because I play Xbox and watch movies here. This is my storage room. I keep the things that I don't use here. This is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. This is my kitchen. I live near Ecoplus shopping center in Mosquera. My daily routine is simple. I wake up early and go to the gym at Ecoplaza. Then I come home and clean my apartment if I have class. I study. If I don't have class, I play Xbox. After that, I read for a while and wait ready for work. I finish work very late. Then I come home, eat smoothie, take a shower and go to bed. I'm editing this video. Thanks you very much for your attention and your time. Goodbye.